guys, today I'm unboxing the OnePlus Nord CE2 5G, and this is the 8GB 128GB version and it's Bahamas blue. Yes, that's the box right there, and we have some paperwork. This is the phone itself. You got the cameras over here. Let's just keep that aside. Yeah, there's the paper clip. This is the 65-watt turbocharger, superbook charger. The red cable as always, and in the paperwork you got the clear case. You have some paperwork, SIM ejector tool, some stickers, and the red cable card membership club. And that's all for the viewers. I hope you liked it, and please subscribe to Tech.